functions in SQL. Any function is used to perform some particular task. So functions can be applied to work on single or multiple records of a table. The SQL functions are of single row functions and aggregate functions. We'll see some single row functions. They are scalar functions. They are applied on a single value and return a single value. So we have three categories: numeric, string, and date and time. The numeric are math functions. All the math functions accept numeric value as input and return a numeric value as a result. So we have numeric functions: power, round, mod, string functions, uppercase, lowercase, mid, length, and date functions. We have NOW, date, month, and etc. Numeric functions. We start with power, which calculates x to the power of y. If you write POW of x comma y, see an example with output on the right side. Select power 2 comma 3. 2 comma 3 is nothing but 2 to the power of 3. Round. The function round needs two parameters, n comma d. It rounds off a number n to d, the number of decimal places. If d is 0, then it rounds off the number to the nearest integer. Look at the example. Select round 2912.564 comma 1. Comma 1 means after decimal point 1 digit. The 564 is rounded to 6. Look at another example, round 283.2. The second parameter is missing here, comma d is missing. The number of decimal places are not specified. If it is not specified, automatically it takes it as 0, so it is 283. Mod returns the remainder of division, mod a comma b. Look at mod 21 comma 2. If you divide 21 by 2, the remainder is 1. 2 tens 20, the remainder is 1. We'll see some practical example here. In order to increase sales, the car dealer decides to offer his customers to pay the total amount in 10 EMIs. And EMIs are required to be in multiples of 10,000. The dealer wants to list the car ID and price. The table is inventory table. So calculate GST as 12% of price and display the result after rounding it off to one decimal place. So look at the select round 12%. So 12 by 100 multiplied by price comma after decimal point only one digit, so comma 1. String functions. So we have U case which converts the string into uppercase, or we can use upper. Look at the example. You give the string in lowercase, automatically you get the output in uppercase. And we have lower, which converts the string into lowercase. We have mid. Look at mid. We have three parameters: string comma, POS, position comma, and number of characters. Returns a substring of concerned size n starting from the specified position. Look at the example. 3, 4. Select mid informatics, the string, 3, 4. 3 is a position and 4 is the number of characters. See the output. If we won't specify the third parameter, that is n, it returns a substring from the position POS till the end of the string. We have length, returns the number of characters, that is the length of the string. Left returns the number of characters from the left side of the string. See the example? Left computer, 4. From left side 4 characters. Right, from right side specified number of characters. INSTR returns the position of the first occurrence of the substring in the given string. In string, look at that informatics, MA. So where is MA? What is the position of MA in the string? It is 6. If the substring is not present, automatically it returns 0. Ltrim, trim is removing the spaces. Ltrim is removing leading white spaces. Left side. So look at this query. Select length Delhi. Delhi is placed within double quotations. You just give some 2-3 spaces and give Delhi. Now check Ltrim. And why we used length? Because length of Delhi with some spaces is 7. If I give Ltrim, it removes the leading white spaces. You get it is 5. So in the query itself, you give some spaces and check it out whether the spaces are removed or not. Rtrim, removing trailing white space characters, that is on right side. And trim returns the string after removing both leading and trailing white space characters. We have date and time functions. Date NOW returns the current system date and time. Look at the output. The next is date function. It returns the date part from the given date. Can you see the difference between NOW and date? NOW returns the current system date and time also. And month returns the month in numeric format. Month name returns the month name in the specified format. Similarly, year, day and day name. You can see the queries on the right side with output. See one example here from employee table. Select day of DOJ, date of join, month of DOJ and year of DOJ from employee. See the query here. Select day name, DOJ, day, month name, year from employee where day name of DOJ is not equal to Sunday. So DOJ is date of join. So what is the difference between single row functions and multiple row functions? Single row functions, what we discussed so far, operates on single row at a time. In case of multiple, it operates on group of rows. So we have max, min, average, sum, count, count star are the examples of multiple row functions. They are the aggregate functions in SQL. See the first one, MEX max returns the largest value from the specified column. You can apply it on any table on numeric values only. Similarly, min, the smallest value, and average. And SVM sum returns the sum of the values for the specified column. Count returns the number of values in the specified column ignoring the null values. Look at the query. Select star from manager and the output is, we have 4 rows, Amit, Tavrit, Kavita, and fourth one null. Look at the select count of mem name from manager and the count is 3. And count of star returns the number of records in the table. We use count on specific field and count of star gets you the number of records in a table.